All right, so this is week 7 home renovation series. If you haven't watched week 1 through 6, please go back and watch it. I think it gives you definitely a great overview on your home remodel if you plan to do so. And I give you numbers and a budget, well, my budget, so that you can figure out your budget. I'm using my lovely laptop because I have not seen a lot of this footage in almost a couple of years now. And I think that it's wise for me to watch the video because I completely forgot what we did from week to week. So now we're on week 7 and I can look through it and tell you what went on. The first image that you're seeing is like the first edition of what the house looked like beginning. So I got the front yard together, removed the plants that were naturally here. I forget what they call it. I don't know if they're guava plants. I don't know. And I thought that by replanting them and giving them nourishment that I could like keep them alive, but they end up dying in a couple of weeks. So I end up ripping those things out and planting something else in its spot. So they're finished installing the cabinets, the cabinet doors. As you see, I brought all of my stuff inside the house. The reason why is because our original timeline, I was supposed to be moving in this week and we were delayed by a week. So this week, even though I'm saying is week 7, is actually in our like reality week 8. So after our initial inspections, we had things to go back to fix from the inspection report. I was planning to move into the house by week 8. I already had the guys come and get the pod. I had people lined up to move my stuff inside the house from the pod. So like all that stuff was already in place. And I've stayed in my RV quite a few times, and that tiny house living is not for me, even though like you're like, but girl, your house is small. It is, but the difference is that I have full-size appliances inside my house. I have washer and dryer, like things, certain amenities I cannot live without, and I know tiny house living is not that for me. By living in an RV, I learned those things. So I moved everything in. That's the reason why you see everything inside the house. I started building out my closets. I use everything from IKEA. Those are IKEA closets. You can't pack closet system. You can buy them with the doors. I prefer to see all my clothes and shiny stuff, so I don't really care. The plumbers, they're finishing up that week. I finished up the closets and the guest bedroom already. Oh, the water heater. Okay, that is a tankless water heater, by the way. In the state of California, you do not have to have it on the inside of your house. You actually have it on the outside. A lot of states are allowing you to do that. The water heater I've had now the entire time I've been living here. I have no issues. I'll tell you the brand and model in the description, but it is amazing. Like if I'm in the shower and I take a long shower, I have hot water the entire time. I've never had an issue with hot water. So tankless water heater is everything. I'm just showing you how the house looks in chaos of still having contractors come in. They did bring in the glass insert for the shower, but I couldn't use the shower yet because it has to dry for so long, and then it didn't have the other door. And then my crazy self, this is my crazy Jen right here. So I didn't stain the floor. So for that week that we could not work, because we were still waiting to pass our permits checked off or whatnot, I should have been in here staining the floors, but I had finals during that week because it was, I had finals. So what I did was move all of my stuff to one side of the room, stain the floor, and then moved everything to the other side of the room. I think I have a separate video that goes over like the staining of the floors, but by putting the floors down early and then just putting a protecting over them and allowing the contractors to like work on top of it, they dropped things, they scuffed things across the floor, and it created, I think, it brought character out in the flooring, and I think they look bomb. And by accident I knocked over the whole bucket, but right now you're seeing a whole bucket of stain, and I had to like get it up. So you'll see that video. Go to the video to see what I did. It came out nice nonetheless. In the front of the house, you'll see the stucco go on. I think it transforms the house tremendously. And then now you're seeing they put like this glue kind of stuff, this adhesive, all over the side of the house. And then they do it side by like each side separately. And then they're rolling it on, and then they'll go through and stucco. And so each side of the house will get that done. And I'm just showing you what the house looked like before so that you can remember, like, this is where we started. This house has transformed into something amazing. I really love my place. Here goes the envision of the house. Everything's nicely painted. You still see my little dead plants in the front there. I'm really happy that it was all completed and done. People actually walked past and was like, wow, the house looks really nice. I'm glad that you moved in. So it's good to come to a neighborhood and like your neighbors are supportive. They're probably like, finally somebody moved into the house. It was really bringing everybody's property value down. I forgot to do a closeout of all the products and services and the cost and the price of everything. And that was the whole purpose of me doing this. So let me go through the budget. For services, that includes the electrician, plumber, sheetrock, demolition fees, termite, painter, exterior, interior, the plaster guys, tile and waterproof the bathroom, drafter, architect, and permits. All of the final costs came up to $40,496. Material, which included the floor tile in the kitchen and the bathroom shower tile, the flooring, and as you heard, I did the faux ship lap in the bedroom. I kind of jumped on that fixer upper bandwagon. Don't judge me. We all are doing it. We all love fixer upper. But anyways, all the material came up to $1,726 just for that material. The products is everything that I had to put in this house. Bathroom faucet, the sink pop-ups, which are all the nice brass gold fixtures that I love. The bathroom vanity lights, shower faucet, exterior security lights, exterior lights, doorbell, refrigerator, dishwasher, gas stove, LED lights, blinds, washer and dryer, interior paint, stain and seal, kitchen sink, cabinets, countertops, bathroom fan, exterior front door, rear door, interior doors, windows, sliding glass doors, toilet hot water heater, electrical outlets, and material. So that came up to $13,687 in total. I know it sounded like a lot more. It sounded like I would have paid a lot more money. Have you guys seen the new cafe appliances? I looked at it and I was like, for the entire package, for what I wanted, I want the white appliance with the brass on there for like my next house. It was like $9,000 to $12,000 just for appliances. No cabinets, no fixtures, and I bought all of this stuff to include the water heater for $13,687. Yeah, I'm sorry, cafe. I don't have pockets that deep. And then labor from week 1 all the way through week 7 end up coming out to $23,661. My main contractor and his laborers, the woodworking type of thing, fixing the joists, fixing the framing of the house, reframing in, or framing in the windows, framing in the doors, those guys, they were the ones that really made this whole job come together. In total, I spent $79,570. My budget was $80,000, so it came under budget. So I came under budget. For schedule, I was 1 week over schedule, but in order to kind of get the cost trade off with that, I ended up moving my stuff in out of the pod on time, so therefore I wasn't expending more money. Nonetheless, I appreciate you guys watching this series with me. It is almost done and completed. Like I said, next week we'll be walking you through the completed rooms and walking you through the space. You see a little bit of the completion right here on the side of me to the left and right. Without further ado, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. See you guys next week. Have a good one.